Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you join the Discord community of Bitget wallet in order to get the latest information. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget wallet at very first. And now after opening the Bitget wallet, tap to this four circled icon into the top left corner. Now from this section, you will get to see a lot of options. If you scroll down to all the way bottom, you will get this option of community. Tap to community and then you will find this site in here. Just simply wait for it to load and then you will get this Discord option. Tap to Discord and it will open the Discord invite link. Now you can easily accept the invite and join the community of Bitget wallet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to never miss another crypto update. Thank you for watching this video.